Wow. I found something really special. My favorite street food. Let's go get it. There you go.
Lager ka, boss? Ikan na. Ikaw tamang ka, boss? Oh, ikaw tamang ka? Ikaw sa si lager dia? Sa pangalan sa imong? Paano?
Pwede kuhaan ba? Pwede ka apil? Akong vlog? Ha? Food vlog?
Gua pa bisa.
Gua pag gani. So pa na?
So, pag ikaw, sir.
Hindi tayo. Marami ang init. I think it's 30, 32 or 35 degrees. It's freaking hot. Kanina hindi pa masyado mainit eh. About an hour ago, lumakad ako from Kanto hanggang doon. Because it's a great experience. Walking is great.
Tingnan mo yung mineral. 20 na. 20? Ay, padiri. Arang.
Parato na mineral ba?
Dara, dyan. Upo. Ano ay, tagbibisi ko.
Ay,
Ay, ang pinunod ko. Kasi lang mo. Ay, ayan. Nag-vlog kaya? Ngaon.
Kalta. Wow. Sarap yung dinuguan nila. Are you fucking kidding me? Good. Very good. You know, pero you know, pag di mo lagi isipin na mainit ang panahon, like you sit here, you have some food, eat some food, basta meron lang bubong, tapos mahangin, hindi mo na mararamdaman yung init eh, really. If you're having fun, you know, if you're having a good time, you just observe, curious about your surroundings, di mo na mararamdaman yung hot weather. Kaya ng umaga, very early in the morning, bago ako nag-coffee, in-on ko yung laptop ko, tapos chinek ko yung email, and then I also check Facebook. Tapos sa feeds, I saw some pictures of my friends about their travel, you know, about their recent travel. Halos lahat ng na-browse ko, Boros travel. Uso na, naging uso. Excuse. Ay. Kailan ka? Eh, gusto ka mo kan? Shout out. Anyway. So, I met someone. So, daming pictures about their travel, and some have gone to abroad, some went to other cities other than Davao, some others pumunta sa Europe, you know yung the usual travel, yung paalam talaga na nasa Europe sila, nasa Spain or something, nasa US, Paris, you know. Kaya lang, for example, do you think, bakit puro picture? Kaya lang sa story naman. You know? Ano nangyari sa travel mo? Well, you can write even a simple story or a piece, or maybe in Tagalog. No? Picture lang yung naibigay nyo, na i-share nyo sa mga friends nyo, sa mga relatives nyo, mga kilala nyo. Anong magandang naidulot nung travel ninyo? Anong magandang naidulot nung travel ninyo? Diba? Paano mo maibahagi yung inyong happiness, yung inyong experience? You gotta tell some story, you know? Kahit Tagalog mo, Bisaya mo, di ba? Ibig sabihin, nag-travel ka sa lugar, nag-travel ka sa mga syudad sa ibang bansa, walang kwento, wala kang ginawa doon kundi magpa-picture. You know? I even don't see any food. Puro nasa kalye. Okay naman yan. Yeah, you have some pictures, you're in the city streets, you're in some landmark, like yung the ever famous Statue of Liberty, yung sa Paris, yung ano ba yan? Eiffel Tower and all of those kinds of things, you know. Or you've gone to a very lovely beach resort, a very blue, serene, picturesque view of the sea with the mountains, you know, the new stunning views of the horizon. So fucking what? Pakita naman namin yung mga iba't ibang picture sa internet. You know? What is the use para ipaalam nyo sa mga tao na nakapunta kayo sa lugar na yan? Okay naman yan eh, yung sharing your limestones, yan naman ginagawa natin eh. Kahit ako, ginagawa ko rin yan eh. Pero, like, what I've been advocating, yung totoo talaga na travel, yung ina-advocate rin ni Anthony Bourdain, you travel, be a traveler, not just a tourist. Be a traveler, not a tourist. No? Don't follow any rigid itinerary or plano kayo pupunta, destination ninyo. Get lost, you know, talk to strangers, get drunk, you know, just be there, be present, eat their food, you know? Get drunk with the locals. Mas maganda nga kung nawala ka, nalasing ka, nakilala kang isang, well, iba naman yung usapan ko. If you get into trouble, don't get into trouble, but, you know, have the experience of the lifetime. Para pag uwi nyo, marami kayong may kwento, di ba? Para pag post nyo sa Facebook, marami kayong maisabi, marami kayong makwento. Kasi bisiyahon pa ninyo na, di ba? Tagalawgaw ko itong pag-adto na kong Paris ba, na ako'y nailay-ilay nga ni ba, ana ba? Di ba? You've learned something, tapos, nag-share ka pa ng insight, ng experience mo sa friends and relatives mo, di ba? Di ba?
Ragid o 28K yung pala, dakaling account sir.
Taon!
Shoutouts from Win family.
Shout out Win Team! Converge Davao! Converge Solutions sa
Converge.
ICT! Shout out sa mga kauban! Gilo Agbo, Ryan Caballero,
Sir na?
Angkol Norico, o daghan pa. Mga to.
Sir Bong. Sir Bong
Sir
Tuburo.
Bong, Sir Bong Tuboro, Sir Jan, Sir Irman, Sir Gary. Shout
Ayos.
out sa inyo, maniudto ta.